that. Okay,
What was
every
the
time
problem? I think
FICO error was there.
before he this was before he it still was this was continuing.
Yeah, like so many times that a consultant have resolved. Every time someone is changing from backend, every time it's coming. So finally, I told him, yeah, you just send the video. I will resolve from my end from next time if we are going to face that.
Hmm.
So even in the morning, I have
Right, right.
resolved that. So hopefully that should not come right
Hmm.
now. Okay. So we will
Okay, sir.
see procurement cycle. Procurement cycle. Do you know what is procurement cycle?
What was
Procurement cycle.
procurement cycle? I think we discussed in the last class I attended.
Okay, we have discussed that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think, but the screen is not shared.
Okay, let me share my screen. Is that visible right now?
Blank screen is coming only.
Uh, right now?
Same. Now, yes, I can see. Step one, procurement cycle.
Yeah. So step one is create purchase order. Procurement cycle means like purchasing something. So purchasing to paying is just going to come in a procurement cycle. So we are going to create a
Okay,
purchase
okay.
order. We are going to send it to the supplier. So first step is create PO,
PO.
purchase order. What's the T code? T code is ME21M. Okay.
It is stuck. Your screen is stuck. Your screen is stuck. I can only see step one, CRE only. Yeah,
Okay.
now it's okay.
Okay. So let me give my user ID and password here. Let me log into SAP system. So first step is create a PO. So let me give my supplier number here, org data, material number, quantity, net price, currency, plant, and let me give a tax code T0. You also take T0. T0, I'm taking 0% tax. Okay? I'm taking
Okay,
0%
okay,
tax. You also take 0% tax. That's it.
okay.
Just check. I guess M0, not
Terms of
T0.
payment.
Yeah, M0. And one more thing, before creating a PO, first check OBBGT code. So in OBBG, you just check country IN because all, I guess you have taken IN as a country. Check like tax procedure must be ABCIN. ABCIN must be assigned there. If
Okay,
something else, just change it and save it. This tax procedure I have created for
okay,
you guys. Okay, then just save it.
okay,
Then only create a PO while you are taking a tax code. So just take M0,
okay,
it's just a 0% tax, and I have created by just using T code FTXP. So just use that and
okay,
just take M0. Simply just take M0. You can also create by just using T code FTXP, but create for 0%. 0% tax.
okay.
Just check it and just save
Is
it.
there any specific reason for 0% tax you're creating?
Yeah, reason is like this tax creation and all this stuff is just related to FICO. But I just want to
Ah,
show you complete cycle, a procurement cycle. So tax is
okay,
required.
okay.
So I'm taking it
That would be great.
0%.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
that's the reason. So I just created a PO. Next step is create a goods receipt. So what happened? I just required some material. I
GR.
created a PO. I just send it to supplier.
Right.
Supplier just send it the acknowledgement, and then he is going to send the goods. Inbound truck is just going to come in our company's premises. We are going to do unloading. Once we are going to do unloading, we are
Yes.
putting that stock in our company's premises and we are posting a document known as goods received document. So step second is
Yes.
GR document.
GR.
So we are going to post a GR document, goods received document.
Okay.
And T code is Migo. So let me do that by just using T code Migo. Hit enter. Just select here goods receipt option. Just give your PO number here.
6-2, I think. Yes.
Just copy from here and just paste it. Hit enter. Let me give storage location here. My storage location is this one. Let me click on item OK. Just check it and post it. So this is posted. Now this is resolved. Now next
Yes.
step, let me copy this is also this document number also and let me paste it here. Next step is create invoice verification document.
Okay.
So what will happen? We just did unloading to our company's premises. We have just put that in our company's premises and we have posted a document, goods received document, GR document, by just using T code Migo.
Okay.
Now that supplier also shared a invoice or a bill. So we are going to do invoice verification.
Right.
Whatever bill he have shared, is that okay or not? Is that matching with my PO and GR quantity and price? Yes or no? If yes, then I'm going to post a document by just using T code Miro. So T code
Okay.
is Miro or Miro. Someone used to say Miro, someone used to say Miro. So we'll go to T code Miro here or Miro here. Just go to Miro, give your company code here, hit enter, give your PO number here. So our PO number is this one. Just copy this and just paste it here and hit enter. Each and every details is just copied from there. Invoice reference number must have 64 character. Again, someone have just make some changes, but let me check to figure it out.
It should take a PO reference, not invoice number.
Yeah, we have given a
Where
PO
did we
number.
put invoice number? Yeah.
Yeah, this is a practice system. Until morning, everything was okay. Again, maybe someone have changed the things. So this is a practice system. Everyone is like someone make that GST partner and all these things mandatory for our company code. So this is the reason, like thing in an online server. Okay, but
Shared server.
yeah, this is a shared server. So everyone is making the changes. Like
Hmm.
someone have just configured GST partner configuration in that. Okay. Okay, but we will do that. What how we are going to do that? Invoice reference number must have 64 character. So here we need to give our invoice number. Let me give whatever is there. This is completely FIFO. Someone have did some changes there. Let me try to take anything.
Same.
Yeah. Until
In
morning I
real
have
life
checked.
also, these
No,
things
no,
come.
no, 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 no. Let me tell you
So
the
it's
reason.
always blank.
No, let me tell you the reason. Now. First thing is
Hmm.
like company will never allow anyone to give a system like that. Okay.
Right, right.
They are going to, even if you are going to join as a SAP consultant, for first year, they are not going to allow you even touch the system. First, they are going to
Hmm.
provide you training and each and everything. Then only they
Yes.
are going to provide you system. And there, each and every consultant is there. Like if FICO error is there, immediately FICO consultant is going to resolve that. Like it will be shared to the team, FICO consultants team. They are going to resolve that. Okay.
Right, right, right. Maybe because you have taken Indian system, they are asking for the Indian invoicing system.
It's not about Indian system or not. Someone have changed from backend. Someone have changed from backend. This is the reason. But I always suggest everyone like what you need to be focus on as a student as you are practicing on that online system.
Hmm.
So you just need to focus on business processes. What is the business process? What's the business requirement? Okay. And second thing,
Right.
configurational steps. Configurational steps. These error is coming. Don't worry about that. In real time, team is going to resolve. And to be honest, in real time, errors don't come that much often because everyone have proper knowledge. Everyone is working.
And nobody
Everyone.
has playing around in the back end
No
also.
one can. No one can. If someone can,
Hmm.
simply he is going to be fired. Okay,
Yeah,
but
right.
this is the online system. Anyone is doing anything. There is no control on anyone. So this is the thing. Until morning, I have checked because from so many classes, we have to postpone. But that's the reason I have checked in the noon also. But after noon, someone changed the data. So let me
Hmm.
check if any solution is there. Otherwise, this is how we are going to post the invoice document.
What this document will do? It will only verify the invoice.
Yeah, that what we need to do, we just need to give our date and all these things. We just need to give our tax here. Okay. GST partner, someone have configured and someone make that mandatory field. Let
Hmm.
try to do something in SPL. Meanwhile, it's a FICO, but let's try to do that at least. Financial accounting. This is all about.
Invoice is actually FICO material, right?
Yeah, it's a FICO
Hmm.
like topic. Whatever we are doing, it's an integration of MM and FICO.
Right, right.
Okay. Invoicing is a part of a FICO. Now it's okay. So let me delete this row. Okay, and just click on calculate tax, cash discount. So go to basic data. Let me give 1000. Hit enter. Give here business place. Okay, no issues. Let me give here business place. So fortunately, we are going able to do that. Let me do that again, otherwise you will confuse. So let me go
No problem.
to Miro again, okay, and just give your PO number here. You can post invoice against delivery note, against bill of lading, against service entry sheet, against supplier number. But for MM side, we are just mostly doing against purchase order. So just give your
Right.
PO number here, hit enter. This will come.
Actually, it should be
Just
against GR. Can you try it without with GR number? I think that should work.
no. Earlier that have worked, na. Just give me a minute. Let me do that. Okay, like it have worked, na. Just wait. It will work. Just remove that. Hit enter. Hit enter. Go to payment terms. Go to tax.
Because invoice number comes from the supplier. You may never have a number unless you have an invoice in hand in front of you.
Hmm. No, this is configured by some FICO student. I don't know why they have done for our company code, but it's done by some FICO consultant. But earlier that was done, na? Like I was removed that and then it was done. No master record exists for GST partner. Okay. Hit enter, hit enter, hit enter.
Actually, this is where you're recording invoice to create payable.
Yeah, just remove this invoice
This
reference
is
number.
understand.
Just remove this, hit enter. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Okay, just remove this
Okay.
and give your invoice date and posting date. So invoice date is a date on which you are just creating that invoice. And posting date, like
Yes.
invoice date is a date on which you are receiving the invoice, and posting date on which you are posting that document, invoice verification document. Okay,
Yes.
so it can be same or it can be different date. So just
Different. Yes.
hit enter, and here just go to tax, and here this is coming by default. Someone just change in the backend and make this mandatory V naught tax code, because our tax code is M naught,
Mm.
but someone just made
Right.
that
Right.
V naught. So just select this and just delete this row from here.
Delete row.
Yeah, and
Yes.
just click on calculate tax. The system will automatically calculate the tax. Just go to basic data that tab, and here you can see just you need to give your amount, whatever amount used to come here, give that same amount here. So 1000, give 1000 here, hit enter. Okay, again, still it's a red in color. That means still error is there. So what's the error? Enter business place. So in S4 system,
Ah.
this is mandatory. Meanwhile, it's in real time, it's done by FICO consultant. Like business place
Right.
also created by FICO consultant. But here we don't have any FICO consultant, so we have to do by our own. Otherwise, we will not able to proceed further. So I just
Right.
created a business place for my company called DEL. Just give your business place. I will tell you how to create a business place. Just wait a while.
Okay.
I'm just giving my business place here.
Okay.
Hit enter, and it will turn to green, and it will turn to zero.
Right.
Green means there is a no error right now. So just go to simulate. There is only warning. Warning we can ignore. Okay. It's
Yes.
asking for this, so we can ignore that. Then we will go to simulate, and from here we will simply post a document from here. So just click on post, then it will be posted. So invoice document is posted.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. Let me paste it here, and let me tell you how you can create that business place. So in S4 system it's mandatory, but in ECC this is not mandatory. That business place. So how you can create a
Okay.
business place? This is created by FICO consultant, but let me tell you how to do that. So just go to SPRO, just go to SPRO, go to IMG, go to financial accounting, go to financial accounting global setting, and here just go to withholding tax, go to withholding, extended withholding tax, go to basic setting, okay, and
Yeah.
here you will see that check withholding tax with country. Just go to this. Oh, just go to that India country. Just go to this India country. Go to India, and here you can see define business place. So just execute here, and you can create a business place for your company code. So just give your company code here. My company code is KRIP. You just mention your company code here. Hit enter.
Okay.
Okay, and here you just need to give only these details. I already created, so you just need to go to new entry if you want to create, and give your business
Ah.
place
Right.
here.
Right.
So business place, let
Exactly.
just give anything, like let me give like
Any
CL, anything you
any
can give.
letter related to city. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
just give it and hit enter and save. Hit enter
Okay.
and save it.
Right.
Just you need to give these details also, address and whatever business place you have taken, take that same CL1. Street house, address is there, give country IN, reason, and just hit enter. and save it. Now, like that, you can create a
Okay.
business place and you can give there. Now, we will
Okay.
check in ME23 and display purchase order. And in that display purchase order, we are going to click on this other purchase order icon. Just give your PO number here. So this is my PO number simply. Copy this and just paste it, hit enter. Okay.
Right.
So hit enter. And you can see in that purchase order history tab, you can see this is an invoice document, this is goods received document,
Mm,
quantity, price, each and everything you can see from here.
right.
Okay. And in
Right.
status tab also, in header, in status tab also, you can see ordered 100, delivered complete 100, still to delivered 0 because
Invoice
complete
for
100
100.
quantity. Yeah, and
Right.
invoice is 100. And this is a value, 1000 USD.
Okay.
Okay, so we can track from here in status.
So in invoice area, they are only discussing the value, not the quantity. No,
Yeah,
no, no.
like
Yes, quantity is there
both
also.
are
Yes,
there,
yes,
no?
yes.
Both are there.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
you,
yeah.
as an
Sure.
assignment, what you need to send, you just need to send this purchase order history from here.
Okay. Create purchase order, GRR, then invoice
Hmm.
creation.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So three
So this
steps.
is, yeah, this is a procurement cycle. Now we are going to see procurement cycle and reversal. So first, let me tell you the business requirement of this. We have seen that you just need to send this at least to try to do 4 to 5 times that invoice
Okay.
verification, and then
Okay,
just
sir.
send ME23 and screenshot this screen. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will see procurement cycle and reversal. Let me let me use this. But you just try to like first try to do for 4 to 5 time procurement cycle, then only jump to reversal.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The
Because
same transaction you use for reversal.
I will tell you what is a reversal first. Let me tell you, then I will tell you like why we used to do and what
Okay.
are the steps there.
Okay, sir.
But before jumping to that reversal, first have a properly practice that procurement cycle 4 to 5 times at
Okay.
least.
Okay, sir.
So what's the business requirement for that reversal? Sometimes what happen now? I just created a PO, I just posted a goods receipt, I just completed invoice verification. Then I just come to realize, oh, I just took a wrong price in a PO. I just took a wrong tax code in PO. I just made a some mistake
Ah,
in PO. Now what can I do? Already invoice also created. So there is
right.
a procedure for that. That's a reversal. We can do reversal. So how we are going to do reversal? Directly we are not going to change PO. We have to go step by step. Like how? First we have to cancel invoice. Then I have to cancel
Right.
goods received. Then only I can change PO. Then again I have to
Ah,
do the goods received for that correct PO and then invoice verification for that correct PO. So this will be the
okay.
steps. 6 steps will be there. So this is a
But
thumb
mainly it's
rule.
only cancellations.
Yeah, like if you made some mistake or you want to make some changes in PO directly, you can't make the changes now. You have to go with the reversal step by step. First, you have to
Right.
cancel that invoice. Then you can cancel goods receipt. Then you can cancel on. Then you can only change the that PO. Then again you have to
Right.
come back. So like whenever you are going to cancel something, you have to go down to top. Whenever you are creating something, you have to come from top to bottom. Like step 1 to step 3, like that. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
first step is cancel. So first step is cancel invoice. How I'm going to do that? Let me open the notes also for you. So let me open procurement cycle and reversal.
Okay.
So you can check it here. So like first step is create PO, second step is goods received, third step is invoice verification. Fourth step is we have to cancel invoice by just using T code MR8M. Okay.
Hmm.
So first we are
Right.
going to cancel by just using T code MR8M. So cancel by just using T code MR8M. And here we are going to give our invoice document and reason why we are canceling that. So let me do that in SAP system MR8M. Just go to MR8M T code and automatically last invoice document will come. But if you want to give some another document, you can give. Okay. You
Okay.
can just give that invoice document. Which one is a invoice document? Here you can see this last document. When once you posted an invoice, this is an invoice document. So you can
Right.
see
Right. Right. Yes.
automatically it have selected that. Okay, physical year. And otherwise, if you want to do for another invoice, you can just change that invoice number here. And
Okay.
here we need to give our reversal reason. What's the reason why we are reversing that? So just give the first reason, like we are reversing in a current period. Like in 2025, we are reversing if it's a closed period. So many options are there. Currency wrong, payment is wrong, this and that. But we are going to select this 01 reversal in a current period. Okay. And posting
Okay.
date, it will come automatically. Hit enter. Okay, and just save it. This is reverse. Okay, this is reverse. This is a sign. This is reverse. So this step is done. Let me do it quickly because I have to wrap up it on before 8. So or each and everything is in a document. You can just go through the document. Now I'm going to cancel a goods receipt. How I'm going to cancel the goods receipt? Just in T code Migo, I will select a cancel option. Let me do that.
Ah,
Simply
most of the
in Migo.
GR document, GR entries are in GR only.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Right.
So
From there.
cancellation we are going to do automatically it will select the last document. If we just want to take some another document, we can take some another document. But I just want to take that last document, hit enter. Okay, I'm going to do the cancellation. Just item okay, check and post it. So it's
Okay.
also cancelled and you have seen moment type for cancellation is 102. Okay,
Right.
so this is also done. Sometimes interviewers simply ask the movement types. So for cancellation, it's a 102. Once you will do now, you just check the movement
101
type.
is create.
Yeah, 101 for
Yeah.
a goods receipt, 102 is for cancellation. Now
Okay.
what we are going to do, we are going to change our PO. What's the T code? ME22N. ME22N. So I will just click on this other purchase order and I will give my PO number. So this is my PO number. Copy and paste it here. Whatever I just want to make the changes I can make. Let's suppose quantity. Let's suppose price. Whatever I
It
just
allows you
want
to
to
edit.
change. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Tax. Anything I can change. So let me check
Hmm.
and let me save. Now I will do that again. Again, goods received. Again, invoice verification. So let me go to Migo to do the goods received. Each and every steps is available in the notes. Okay. So let me select goods received against purchase order, hit enter, movement type is 101, give storage location, item okay, check and post it. This is also done. Now we will do invoice
Okay.
verification for that changed PO. In Miro, I am going to do that. I will give my purchase order number, invoice date, hit enter. Okay, just go to
Okay.
this tax, just delete this. This is
Just
not
remove this
required.
one. Yes.
But we are doing because someone just made that by default. Just click on
Okay.
calculate tax, just go to basic data, and here this price is coming here 1000, just give amount 1000, hit enter, give your business place. This is my business place, hit enter. Now it's turned to green, that means it's error free. Just go to simulate and just post it. That's it. We have posted an
Okay.
invoice for a changed PO. Now
Okay.
what we are going to do, we will go to ME23 and to display our purchase order, just click on this other purchase order icon, just give your PO number, hit enter, and you can see in purchase order history, six documents are there. Why six document? First, can that invoice document, this is the final, sorry, this is the first invoice document, cancellation invoice document, recent invoice document. Same for goods received.
Right.
First goods received
Hmm.
document, cancellation, latest goods received document. That's the reason six documents are there. Okay.
Right.
So as
Right.
an assignment, you just need to send this screenshot. I will able to see, okay, you have completed procurement cycle and reversal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this will be your
Okay.
assignment that you need to do. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
just complete that, and in next session we will see blanket purchase order we have covered.
Which you have covered?
I'm asking blanket purchase order have I covered or not?
Not to me. Maybe in last three classes you have, but I have not
No, not in last
attended it.
three classes. Okay, I will cover that blanket
Okay.
purchase order in next session. But complete your
That is
assignment.
open PO, I think.
No, blanket purchase order.
Blanket means open.
No, no, no. It's a totally different. I will explain you tomorrow. This is one of the most important topic. Okay, so I will explain that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
And bye bye.